All right, we'll continue with our next paste align. I'm just going to swivel over here and do a big crossing box. And I don't want to delete the bottom stairway. So can I grab all those guys, go to my level 1, and then do a shift to remove those, and then hit delete on the keyboard, and then go back to my 3D view, and there we go. So I've deleted all those. Grab this top floor and delete that. So the next one is paste align. Let's go to our level 1 to start here. Okay. So we pick an object and we go up and we go copy to the clipboard. It all starts the same. And then when we go to paste align, we have our next one, which is align to selected views. Okay, now align to selected views. I've got this picked. Control C. And when I go copy and I go here, it's not available. Okay, it's mainly for annotation objects unless the model objects are grouped with them. So watch, if I just pick this desk alone and I go Control C, I copy that to the clipboard. Then I go paste align. I'm not getting the option to align to selected views, right? But what if I grab this dimension? Okay, let's look at this dimension. This dimension is dimensioning to a grid line. Okay, so that grid line exists in the other views. Okay, so let's try this. Let's pick this dimension line with the desk and go Control C and copy that to the clipboard. Now when I go paste, look, align to selected views. So model objects on their own aren't going to let you select views. So watch what happens when I go align to selected views. It's going to show me all the views in the drawing available, not a ceiling plan. So I can say, okay, I'm going to copy and paste that to the second level. This is not copying to the level, it's copying it to the view of the level. Remember, these are views of the levels, they're not actually the level. The level is the object in elevation. This is a view of the level. So I'm copying and pasting these objects from the view of level 1 up to the view, those guys. Oh, I don't want ceiling plans. So it's also, notice, it's only giving me plan views. It's not letting me select elevational views. Hit OK, boom, off it goes. Now guess what? If I go to a 3D view, I've got a bunch of desks floating up in the sky. And if I go to the individual views, the desk and the dimension are going to be on every view because I've copied and pasted them. But the only reason why I was able to do it was because the model object had a piece of annotation with it. If I go back to here and I grab this chair and go Control C, click out, and then go paste align, I can't do it. Same as with a wall. Grab this wall, Control C, copies it to the clipboard, paste, can't do it. So paste to selected views is mainly for annotation objects or view specific objects unless you have a model object with it, at which point it will let you copy and paste to multiple views. So what if we do it from an elevational view? Let's go to a south elevation, okay, and let's just grab this piece of dimensions right here. Control C, copies it to the clipboard, click out, okay. Let's go to the opposite, north elevation. Okay, probably want to pull these guys out a little bit. And now I'm going to say, it doesn't matter that I switch views. It's letting me say align to selected views. Okay, I didn't have to switch views. Let's go back and do that again. What happens if we go back to here, try it again. Click on here, copy it to the clipboard. Done. Now, paste align to selected views. Okay, look what it's showing me. It's saying, well, you can do it to the south elevation or section 1. And the reason why is because I'm dimensioning to these level lines. Okay, and it's going to the opposite, the north and south. It's not showing me east and west. And it's also showing my section, which is going in the same direction. So if I say yes, south and section 1 and hit OK, click out. Now if I go to my north, okay, oh, I pasted to my south. I'm going to have 2 sets here. Delete that. I did it. I picked the wrong one. So let's go to my section. See that it got pasted there. Let's delete it. Okay, it also takes on the scale factor of the view. Let's switch this back to be 1 to 100. Try it again. Here we go. South. Pick on here. Copy to the clipboard. Paste. Align to selected views. This time I'm not going to pick south. I'm going to pick north and section 1 because they're both perpendicular to the same view as I'm in. Norm to the view I'm in. Hit OK. You'll see it blink and flash. Now if I go to my north elevation, there it is, and it's pasted it on that side because I'm looking from the other opposite view. I'm looking from the back side, north to south, right? Switches sides. So I can take this guy and then pull him over here if I want, right? I go to my section, click in here. There it is over there. It got placed in the same place. I can pull it back over here, do whatever I want with it. So you can paste annotation objects from view to view. But it really depends on, again, what you're picking and what view you're trying to. It will only show you certain views. That's what we're learning here. Okay? If I go into here and I grab a piece of text, let's just put a piece of text on here. Click out, escape. When I pick on here and I say Control C, I copy it to the clipboard. Okay. When I do my paste, selected views, it's only going to show me plan views, right? Starting to get the hang of it. If I go into here and I have a piece of text or annotation or something, click out, escape. When I pick on here and I copy that to the clipboard, and when I say paste align to selected views, it's only going to show me the views that I'm allowed to paste them to. It's not going to show me every view. It's not going to show me a floor plan view either. Okay? So the selected views will A, analyze what it is you've copied, and B, it takes note of the type of view that you are in. Okay? If I'm in a sectional view over here, and I try to take this guy and go Control C, that's a model object in a sectional view, and I click out and I go up to paste. Oh, not even available, simply because why? It's just a model object. It's not a view specific object. It doesn't come in there. But if for some strange reason I had a dimension that went from this grid line to the center of that desk, okay, let's delete a couple of these so I have somewhere to paste. Okay, now if I pick these two guys and I go Control C on the clipboard or copy, now when I say paste align, look, align to selected views. Oh, no views exist within the project to paste align. Not liking that. Maybe I need another section. Okay, that's possible. That could be very possible. So again, it's letting me do the copy, and it's actually letting me do the paste to view, but it's saying I don't have any. So I probably need to have another sectional view, and then it'll show up on my list. All right, so there's our copy and paste. Oops, cut. Not that type of cut. That's cut geometry. Grab mostly text type objects, copy it, and then selected views. It's going to show you the views that you're allowed to paste them to. Basically, these are views, not levels. Even though it's a view of the level, don't get them mixed up. Okay, if we go into here, this is a level. This is a level. Okay, this is a view of level 5. It's not the same as the actual physical level. And that's our align to selected views.